It took 26 years, but we finally figured out how to make webcams worse. Your parents might remember the Game Boy camera that kids back in the day used to plug into their Pokemon machines and take horrible, grayscale, pixelated images that you could print out like some sort of demented Polaroid. It plugs into the slot on top of your Game Boy to work, and after years of tinkering with this Game Boy cartridge reader called the Operator that lets you legally emulate your physical game cards, you can now send a live feed from the Game Boy camera directly to any app. That includes Zoom, Teams, OBS, Skype, Uvu, VTube Studio, or whatever else you could possibly detect the webcam input with. Now, technically, this has been done before, but in a completely different way. Retro Game Couch on YouTube used a Game Boy camera as a webcam back in 2021 by using a Game Boy camera plugged into a Super Game Boy, plugged into a Super Nintendo, plugged into an HDMI upscaler, plugged into a capture card, which is pretty much the same process you need to go through to stream from classic hardware.